I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're at KBIS 2025, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. And I am in Rev-A-Shelf's booth. We love Rev-A-Shelf. I use them so much on all of my construction projects, and I'm here with Brent, and he's going to show us the design of this amazing thing here. And I was just shown it, and I'm in awe.
Yeah.
And I love this. I can't wait to suggest this to my clients.
Thank you. Yeah, it's an exciting year for Rev-A-Shelf this year. We're debuting a whole new slew of products right now. The product in particular we're kind of starting talking about is our brand new paper towel drawer. So this is designed for an 18-inch cabinet, and the idea is that homeowners want to get everything off the countertops, and this allows us to access the paper towels without having to open the drawers or anything from that perspective. But on the inside, what makes this truly special is you have your two-tier drawer organization in the back, and then on top you have space for your aluminum foil, your saran wrap, along with your butcher paper. And then you've got individual cutters that allow you to basically slice and dice and go your way throughout that entire system. We're showing it in walnut here, but we're also going to be doing it in maple. So we'll have both species available for customers who want both styles. But this is kind of the trend of where Rev-A-Shelf is heading this year from a design perspective, because on top of this drawer, we're also introducing brand new stuff like our new Craftsman collection. So the Craftsman's collection is going to be high-end, super, super well-created. It's going to be all curved. There's going to be a lot of accents to this, along with being accented with like a matte black finish. We're showcasing it walnut here, but also in our booth, we're showcasing it in maple. But yeah, it's a lot of curvature. And really what our goal is this year is we've noticed a trend in the kitchen industry that homeowners are opening up cabinets and nothing matches, right? You go to this side and there might be chrome, and over here it might be wood. We wanted to streamline that, give designers like yourself or even anyone who builds the ability to almost add some branding or recognition to your kitchen. So you'll notice the curvature, you'll notice the accents, and from there, we take it to your utensils, and you still have the same curvature, you have the same accents with the matte black finishes, and then all the metal bins will obviously be matte black as well. And kind of keeping on that high end, you've got soft close finishes or soft close on the slides as well. Part of Rev-A-Shelf, our organization is growing and growing and growing. So we include Omega National. It's now part of our family. So that brings us a whole new line of floating shelves and vent hoods. So at the show, we're debuting walnut floating shelves, which we're one of the very few floating shelf manufacturers on the market that also include the brackets when the products ship out to you. And then essentially just slide right in, screw in the back, and it secures it. But also on the vent hoods, we're debuting a two-tone. So you can do a paint grade on top, walnut on the bottom. Again, just trying to keep that streamline going throughout the entire.
Sometimes they love the idea of a pull-out shelf, but they don't necessarily like the aesthetics of it, especially when you're in a more high-end home.
Yeah.
So the addition of this in your collections is amazing, and I think that's going to give people the opportunity to enjoy the functionality of what Rev-A-Shelf offers, with also the beauty of it as well, and that's
100%.
amazing.
Yeah, and that's the goal, right? Is we wanted to create something that's very high-end, something that people can look at and take pride in. And you'll notice right on the edge, we're etching our names, we're etching our logo in it, because we want to take pride in this as well, that people know that this is our product, this is what we're selling in the market.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's great. Amazing. Let's continue on here and look at what you have here.
Yeah, so we're continuing on in the display, and this is where our knife block comes in hand. So similar to the utensils and the trash can, we're continuing that design with the curved accent, the matte black finish. But on the inside, we have a universal knife block that basically allows you to store any type of steak knife, carving knife, or even just cooking knife directly in there. This unit comes with a cutting board, so it comes included. And then we have metal bins in the back along with storage underneath, so it's kind of like your whole home cooking station and knife storage. Again, walnut and maple options both available. And then something that's been a big demand from customers, and it's kind of disappeared a little bit, is for a long time we've always sold baskets like this, and they were wicker, rattan, and they kind of disappeared. So we're bringing them back with a new metal finish. But this is designed for your dry goods. So, your potatoes, your onions, anything you want to store in your kitchen from a produce perspective, goes into an 18-inch cabinet, slides straight in, and gives you some unique storage for your produce on this end. This is the one that always seems to get the most people talking, but this is our mixer lift. So it's designed for your kitchen aids. You basically lift it up, it stores it perfectly. But what makes this unique is that it has soft close pistons on it. So number one, it raises up your KitchenAid, it gets it off the countertop. But I always tell homeowners that the neat thing is you can disengage it, slowly falls back. But there's something we don't really talk about much is like a safety feature is that, let's say you're reaching for it and your hand slips, it's not going to slam back into the back of the cabinet. The pistons kind of secure you from that standpoint.
The lovely soft close.
Yes.
I love it. And I was going to ask about that too, because I think a lot of people have would have a fear because these KitchenAids are quite heavy.
Oh, they are. And again, the cool thing too is you can kind of see the branding going in the kitchen, right? This is available in walnut. We also have it in maple. So literally you can begin to start having that branding conversation in your kitchen of saying every cabinet's the same and carry it on from cabinet to cabinet. It's very, very exciting right now.
Well, Brian, thank you.
Yeah,
This
no
is an
worries.
amazing design. I love to see the new things that I can potentially offer my clients. So thank you
Yes.
for showing us these.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next episode.